Hi, one and all. Welcome to the Brahmaji chemistry classes. If you take a HCF2 molecule, the central atom is xenon. The outermost electronic configuration of the xenon atom is Ns2np6. It means 8 electrons in its outermost shell. The 8 electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In HCF2 molecule, xenon atom is bonded with two fluorine atoms. Fluorine atom is a monovalent atom, so it only bonded with one of the unpaired electron of the xenon atom. And another fluorine is also a monovalent atom. It is also a bonded with one of the unpaired electron of the xenon atom. The remaining 6 electrons acts as a lone pairs. Every 2 remaining electrons acts as a one lone pair. This is one lone pair. This is also one lone pair. This is also one lone pair. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in HCF2 molecule, xenon having a 2 bond pair of electrons and 3 lone pair of electrons. So number of bond pair of electrons is equal to 2. Number of lone pair of electrons is equal to 3. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5. The number is 5. So hybridization is sp3d. And also the shape is linear shape because the molecule having 2 bond pair of electrons and 3 lone pair of electrons. The shape is linear shape with sp3d hybridization. Another example, HCF4 molecule. In HCF4 molecule, the central atom is xenon. So xenon is a 8th group element. So it having a 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So xenon is bonded with 4 fluorine atoms. Fluorine is a monovalent atom. Fluorine, fluorine, and fluorine, fluorine. So every 2 electrons remaining electrons acts as a lone pair. So these 2 electrons acts as a one lone pair and these 2 electrons acts as a one lone pair. Total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total number is 6. So hybridization is sp3d2. So HCF4 molecule having a 4 bond pair electrons and 2 lone pair of electrons. So 4 bond pair electrons and 2 lone pair electrons. The shape is xenon, fluorine, 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 fluorine. So xenon, fluorine, 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 fluorine. This is a square planar. So this is one lone pair. This is one lone pair. So shape is square planar. So HCF4 molecule in central atom is xenon. Xenon is the 8th group elements. So 8 electrons in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. 8. So xenon is bonded with 4 fluorine atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every 2 remaining electrons acts as a lone pair. These 2 electrons act as a lone pair. These 2 electrons act as a one lone pair. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number. The number of bond pair electrons plus number of lone pair electrons number is 6. So hybridization is sp3d2. So 4 bond pair electrons, 2 lone pair electrons. So shape is square planar with sp3d2 hybridization. Next one, HCF6. In HCF6, central atom is xenon. So xenon is the 8th group element. So it having a 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In HCF6 molecule, xenon is bonded with 6 fluorine atoms. Fluorine is a monovalent atom. So fluorine, 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 fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the remaining 2 electrons are acts as a one lone pair. So total number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So total number is 7. So hybridization is sp3 d3 hybridization. So total bond pair electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bond pair of electrons and 1 lone pair of electrons. So shape is xenon, fluorine, 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 fluorine atom, fluorine atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and also fluorine, another one lone pair of electrons. So pentagonal monopyramidal. Shape is pentagonal monopyramidal. So in XCF6 molecule, central atom is xenon. Xenon is a 8th group element, so it having 8 electrons in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in XCF6 molecule, xenon atom is bonding with the 6 fluorine atoms. Fluorine is a monovalent atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fluorine atoms are bonding with the xenon atom. So another 2, the remaining 2 electrons are acts as a lone pair. So total number is number of bond pair electrons plus number of lone pair electrons is equal to 7. So hybridization is sp3d3, 6 bond pair electrons, 1 lone pair of electrons. So the hybridization is sp3d3 with shape is or shape or geometry is a pentagonal monopyramidal. In XeO F5-, if any molecule having a negative charge, we will add the one electron to its outermost. So xenon is a 8th group element. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So XeO molecule having a one negative charge, so we will add the one electrons. So fluorine is a monovalent atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also oxygen is a bivalent atom. So it occurs a 2 electrons for the bonding. So the remaining 2 electrons are acts as a one lone pair. One lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7. So hybridization is sp3d3. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bond pairs and one lone pair. So shape is pentagonal monopyramidal. So XeO F5- xenon atom is a 8th group elements. So 8 electrons in its outermost shell, and also this molecule having a one negative charge, so we will add the one electron to its outermost shell. So the xenon atom is bonded with the 5 fluorine atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Fluorine is a monovalent atom and also oxygen is a bivalent atom. Next molecule is XeF2O2. In XeF2O2 molecule, the central atom is xenon. So xenon is a 8th group element, so it having 8 electrons in its outermost shell. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fluorine is a monovalent atom. So 1, 2 fluorine atoms are there in the XeF2O2 molecule. So oxygen is a bidentate atom. Oxygen is a bidentate atom. So the remaining 2 electrons acts as a one lone pair electron. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs. 4 bond pairs plus 1 lone pair. 4 bond pairs plus 1 lone pair. So number is 5. So hybridization is sp3d hybridization. So 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair. Shape is or geometry is C sharp. So xenon atom and also oxygen atom, fluorine atom and 1 lone pair of electron. So shape is shisha. In XeF2O2 molecule, xenon is bonded with 2 fluorine atoms, 2 oxygen atoms. Fluorine is a monovalent atom, oxygen is a bidentate atom. So xenon is bonded with 2 fluorine atoms and xenon is bonded with 2 oxygen atoms. The remaining 2 electrons are acts as a 1 lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pair electrons and 1 lone pair electron. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So number 5 is there. So hybridization is sp3d. So 4 bond pairs 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bond pairs, 1 lone pair. So shape is shisha. And next molecule is XeO3. In XeO3, xenon is the 8th group element, so it having 8 electrons in its outermost shell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So oxygen is a bidentate atom. So 1, 2, 3. The remaining 2 electrons are acts as a 1 lone pair. So 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pairs plus 1 lone pair. The number is 4. Number of bond pairs electron plus number of lone pair electron is equal to 4. So hybridization is sp3. So shape or geometry is pyramidal shape. So xenon, oxygen, 1 lone pair of electron. So in XeO3 molecule, xenon is a 8th group elements and xenon is bonded with 3 oxygen atom. Oxygen is a bivalent atom or divalent atom. So it is having a 2 electrons in its outermost shell. So oxygen is bonded with xenon atom with 2 unpaired electrons. So 1, 2, 3. 3 bond pair electrons and 1 lone pair electron. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So hybridization is sp3. Shape is pyramidal due to 3 bond pair electrons plus 1 lone pair electron. So hybridization is sp3. So hybridization shape is a pyramidal.